This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Toyota Corolla / Chevy Prizm. This happens to be a 2002 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the ignition lock cylinder. First thing we need to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now, the way I'm going to show you today is we're not going to remove any panels. What we're going to do is we're going to get in here and just expand, just open it up just like that. And then you want to use a pick tool. I'm using a pull rod here with a little hook on the end of it. We want to turn our key to accessory. Now, oh, that thing closed up a little. All right. Now, look for the little square piece on the housing, and that's where you want to go down with your tool and then push in on the little release button, and then it'll come out. And we can do this without removing any panels. You're gonna have to go down there, what, about maybe an inch or so in. Okay, I think I got it. There it is. Okay, pops out just a little bit. Then remove your pick, and then it should come out the rest of the way. There it is. There is the little button right there. Hit that with a little pick tool. Let me take the cover off just to show you the relationship. This will save you time. You don't have to remove the covers. Let me take the covers off. I'll show you where the relationship of the that button is. See this little square piece right here on the housing? See, that will line you up for the button right there. So, what is it? About an inch and a quarter down or so. So you put your pick tool underneath the cover and slide it down, hit the button, and then let's see if I can do this with one hand. See how it pops out? Then you have to release your pick tool to pull it out the rest of the way. Just like that. So that's another alternative to get the lock cylinder out without removing your column covers. Now when you do this procedure, be careful about deforming the plastic when you separate the cover right here to get your pick tool in there. But besides that, it speeds up the job. So that's all there is to removing a ignition lock cylinder from your Toyota Corolla.